In this video, you will learn how to humanize all your AI generated content. If you are working on a project, you don't want to have content that will be detected by an AI. So on this tutorial, we'll be using two AI tools. One, we'll be using ChatGPT to generate our content, and then we'll be using HX bypass to humanize our AI tool. Let's dive in and see how this works. So I'll go to my browser. Of course, I'll go to my browser. When I get to my browser, I will go to ChatGPT. Of course, if you don't have an account with them, you can create one, and I will create a content which I will say write an article. Write an article. Write an article on AI generations. Write an article on AI generations. Now I will send, and of course, depending on how fast your internet is, you will have your content. Now it says understanding AI generation, a journey through artificial intelligence. Now these contents here now, of course, these contents are generated by AI. But what we want to do is that we want to humanize this content. What is humanize? We want to change the content. We still maintain the same content, but we don't want an AI detector to detect that this content was generated using an AI. In order to confirm our assumption, we can use GPT-0 to confirm our statement. So we'll create a tab and then type GPT-0. Okay, so GPT-0. Now the first one, of course, you click on the first link you see and allow it to load. Now we have our GPT-0 here. Of course, you can create an account, accept, and you can create, get started for free. Let me see if I can use it without creating an account. So let me copy my content. Let me copy my content from ChatGPT. As you can see, just follow me. Okay, on this channel, what I'm doing is I'm going to teach you step by step. I don't skip any parts for any reason. Okay, so I'll go to my GPT-0, then I'll paste. If I paste, okay, then scan. Let's see. Of course, I believe that GPT might want me to register. Hang on while we verify your browser. Okay, we're waiting. All right, so it will tell you to verify. We'll verify. Okay. All right, so I'll click on my verify you're a human. Of course, success. Thank you. So it's loading. Blank piece of paper. All right. So so as you can see, the whole interface is loading. And then there we go. By my right hand side here, you will see that we are uncertain about this document. If we had to classify it, it will be considered AI generated. Considered AI generated. 73. Now this is the probability breakdown. Probability breakdown. 73% AI generated. I'm not the one that said it. This is GPT-0. So that is to tell you that if you should submit this work, maybe for your thesis or whatever thing you're working on, this work will be flagged. Well, let's get rid of all this. And I said the way to do that is to move into the next step, which is our HX bypass. So create a new tab and then type HX bypass. Of course, it's already there, and we have it here. Click on it. Now I'll advise you to log in with your Google email. Of course, just log into Google email if you can. It will help you, give you better use. Now your content, this is where we'll paste our content, okay, and then we'll get our results. So I'll paste my content. Remember, we have copied it from our ChatGPT already, so it's there. So if I paste it here, okay, so all right, get powered. Now, just like I said earlier, it will prompt you to, of course, log in, and I will see get more powerful AI capability and story, buy now, and I believe we can use it for free. So I'll just log in with my email, continue as Jamesifying. Why not? Continue and cancel. I'm canceling this. Okay, so I haven't done these. We have 600 words over 1 to 5. Something is wrong somewhere. What do you think is wrong? Let's check. So let's click on Humanize. So when I click on Humanize, please ensure your text is less than 125. I said it. Something was not just adding up. Now let's get back and fix this. The output content seems to be human written. I think it works on our content without. Okay, explaining. All right, so this is what I believe that just happened now. If you must use this HX AI to bypass the AI detector, your word should be 125 below. It shouldn't exceed 125 for free trial. I repeat, for free trial, your word shouldn't exceed 125 words. So I think mine exceeded, of course, and it gave me a result, but the result is not giving me what I want. So let's check. Now this is it. It says understanding AI generation, a journey through artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence AI has rapidly evolved over the decades, moving from theoretical concept to real-world application that shapes our everyday lives. Now let's read the output. It says explaining AI generation. This guy changed. It changed my title, of course. It gave it a new one so that you can't even detect where it's coming from. Instead of understanding AI generations, it now said explaining AI generation, a journey into AI evolution. Come on, don't you love this? I love what I'm saying. Now it says over the years, artificial intelligence, AI, has grown at a considerable pace. Wow. I love this. From the traditional theories and regulations to real-world utility that affect the day-to-day of consumers. Now, permit me to tell you something. All I just do is to copy this, okay? Remember, HX, the free version, of course, only works with 120 words per time. So, if I must continue with this, you can see that from these examples below is not highlighted. Yeah, like you can see it's dim, right? So from this required humans upwards is bold. I used to tell you that the AI only detects 125 words for free. So if you want to get more words, like 600 words and above, well, of course, just click on upgrade for more and you're good to go. Now let's confirm if our GPT-0 will still give us the AI detection of a thing. So let's go back there and I'll paste it here. So I'll paste this here now and then I click on scan and let's watch. Just be calm, okay? I believe you're enjoying this video, and if this is your first time, of course, here, just click on the subscription button. Please do that. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out. Now back to what we were doing or what we were saying. I love what I'm saying. I mean the food is ready. Now this is it. We are highly confident that, oh my god, we are highly confident this text is entirely human. Now 2% AI generated. So you can use this content now for your thesis. You can use it as an article. You can post it on your blog. No AI detector will flag it. Like, you're good to go. You are good to go. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Please like. Don't forget to share. And of course, turn on the notification bell so I don't miss out from any of our amazing videos. Now, just like I said earlier, to get the full package of this HX bypass, of course, you need to upgrade. But for now, if you want to use the free version, you're only limited to 125 words per prompt. Thank you very much for watching, and drop your comments. Of course, let me know what you learned so far, and if this video is helpful, why not let me know too. And of course, hop into HX bypass and start doing your magic. Bye bye.